This is a Christmas song that Sherry wrote just for me. Let's make a Christmas memory to last the whole year through. Let's take some time to share the love God's given me and you. We'll spend the entire holiday finding things to do to make this Christmas memory to last the whole year through. We'll drive out to the country and slide the snow-capped hills. We'll make a funny snowman while singing jingle bells. And we'll watch the pretty snow fall as it dances through the ground. Take lots of family pictures and pass them all around. Let's make a Christmas memory to last the whole year through. And let's take some time to share the love God's given me and you. Oh, we'll spend the entire holiday finding things to do to make this Christmas memory last the whole year through. We'll make homemade decorations while baking cookie dough. We'll tell the Christmas story of Jesus' birth so long ago. We'll go through lots of Christmas lights and find the one that's gone. And we'll have a celebration when we finally return home. We'll pop the popcorn garden toward the Christmas tree, warm some apple cider, sip with the family. After dinner we'll go out and sing some Christmas songs. Prepare to take the time where to sing along. Come on now, let's make a Christmas memory to last the whole year through. Let's take some time to share the love God's given me and you. We'll spend the entire holiday finding things to do to make this Christmas memory last the whole year through. We'll spend the entire holiday finding things to do to make this Christmas memory last the whole year through. It is good to all be with y'all here in Auburn. Our dear friends Nicole, been knowing Nicole a long time, and her husband there, Mark Watts Jenkins. I figured you'd like that, Mark. I get that all the time when I got a pretty wife that sings too. Boy, where's Sherry at? You know, that's all I hear. Where's Sherry? Well, I'm here. I'm Jeff. I'm happy. But we are glad to be here. I always tell people everywhere we go, what you see is what you're going to get. And I am loving to get to sing to Santa Claus back there. This is awesome. I love it. I just want you to know Sherry's been a bad girl.
I've been a very tolerant girl.
But we get to travel 26 years. We just celebrated June the 18th, our 26th wedding anniversary. 26 good ones?
26 awesome years.
Yes, I think so. And we've been able to work with the Gaithers for 20 of those years. Been able to go to South Africa, Australia, England, Ireland, Germany, Norway, Jerusalem, Netherlands. It's one thing I found out about two people in other countries. They talk funny over there. My first trip to Ireland, this ain't a joke, true story. When I got off the plane in Ireland, the first fellow I met, he goes, "Cheerio." I said, "Come on."